In this video, I'm going to talk about some engineering features. I'm going to talk about rounds and chamfers. Rounds are called fillets in SolidWorks, and technically, if you have an internal feature like this edge, that is a fillet, and if you have an external feature like this edge, it is a round. But round will do both in SolidWorks. So I'm going to choose my feature and choose my edge. You can see over here that I have set 1. If I want to continue adding edges to set 1 and have them all be modified as a whole instead of individually, I can hold my control key and select other edges. And they will all be part of this set 1. You can see them here. If I want to remove one, I can right click and hit remove. And then I can modify the radius, which is what we're measuring here. The radius of this curve right now is 0.2. I can change that down here, or I can change it up here as well. You also have some other features you can play with in the dimension scheme up here. If I would rather have these dimensions written out explicitly, I can change the shape of this round, but I'm going to keep it at circular for now. If I want to start a new set, I can click to add new set, or I can just start clicking without holding the control key, and a new set will be created. I want to keep these within that new set, so I'm going to continue holding my control key. And now I can modify this radius independent of set 1. Now I'm going to click on my chamfer tool, and this works in a very similar way to the round. I can click on my edge and hold the control key if I want to keep it within the same set, or click without holding the control key if I want to start a new set. I can modify my dimension up here or down here. And one thing that I want you to notice is this dimension is referencing this point to here is 0.5, and this point to here is 0.5. I can change this up here. I can pick 2 different dimensions. I can choose an angle and a singular dimension, or any other feature that you see here. One more thing I want to bring to your attention is this transitions tab right here. Transition can be used if 2 rounds or 2 chamfers are in contact. You can adjust the way they connect. I'm going to hit OK, and you can see my chamfers